Hello everyone, welcome to our English class again. So how are you today everyone? Okay, good. I hope you are fine, right? Okay, so today we are going to continue to our new lesson that talking about Unit 4, Farm Animals, alright? Farm Animals, right? Okay. And today we are going to study about vocabulary, alright? Vocabulary. Okay. So vocabulary today, there are 6 vocabulary today. Number 1, horse. Again, horse. Again, horse. Okay, good. Number 2, goat. Again, goat. Again, goat. And number 3, turkey. Again, turkey. Again, turkey. Okay, good. Number 4, chicken. Again, chicken. Again, chicken. Number 5, cow. Again, cow. Again, cow. Very good. And last one, goose. Again, goose. Again, goose. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's move to see the meaning of each word, alright? Okay, number 1, horse. Read all together. Horse. Okay, good. Okay, how do you spell horse? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Again, horse. Again, horse. Very good. So what is horse, everyone? Okay, see the picture of horse. Wow. Good. This one we call horse, right? This one we call horse. Example, this is a horse. Okay, this is a horse. Okay, good. So now let's move to next word. Goat. Again, goat. Again, goat. Okay, good. So how do you spell goat? G-O-A-T. Goat. Again, goat. Again, goat. Okay, good. So what is goat, everyone? You want to see the picture of goat? Okay, let's see together. Okay, this one we call goat, right? Goat. For example, I see a goat. Okay, good. Okay, good. So now let's move to next word. Okay, what is next word? Okay, turkey. Alright, turkey. So how do you spell turkey, everyone? T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Again, turkey. Again, turkey. Very good. Okay, so what is turkey, everyone? Okay, let's see the picture of turkey together. Alright, turkey. Okay, turkey. So what's turkey in Khmer? Okay, turkey bạn đây thả Mon này ghế Mon tô. Okay, turkey. For example, I like turkey. I like turkey. Okay, I like turkey. Okay, let's move to next word. Okay, what is next word? Okay, very good. Chicken. Again, chicken. Again, chicken. Very good. So how do you spell chicken, everyone? C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Again, chicken. Again, chicken. Very good. So what is chicken, everyone? Okay, this one we call chicken. So do you have chicken at your home? Okay, maybe many of you have chicken at your home, at your house, right? Okay, so for example, we like chicken, alright? We like chicken, we like to eat chicken. Okay. Okay, now let's move to next word. Okay, what is next word? Okay, good. Cow. Again. Cow. Again. Cow. Okay, good. So how do you spell cow? C-O-W. Alright. Cow. Again. Cow. Again. Cow. Very good. So what is cow? Okay, this one we call cow, right? So do you have cow at your home? Yes, many of you have cow, right? Okay, first sample, this is a cow. Alright, this is a cow. Okay, how about next word? What is next word? Okay, last word. Goose. Again. Goose. Again. Goose. Very good. So how do you spell goose? G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Again. Goose. Again. Goose. Very good. So what is goose, everyone? You want to see the picture of goose? Okay, let's see together. Okay, this one we call goose, right? This one we call goose. Okay, example, this is a goose. Alright, this is a goose. Wow. Okay, you can goose. You can goose. Show the chừng mùi thiệt hả? Okay, so let's move to our exercise today. Okay, exercise. What is this? Okay, good. This is a house, right? Good. Oh, sorry. This is a horse, right? This is a horse. How about this one? Very good. Cow, right? Cow. How about this one? Very good. Goose, right? Goose. How about this one? Chicken, right? Chicken. How about this one? It's a turkey, right? Turkey. Okay. How about this one? Goat. Okay, goat. So now let's read this word all together again. Okay. Horse. Again. Horse. Again. Horse. Okay, good. Next. Cow. Again. Cow. Again. Cow. Okay, next. Goose. Again. Goose. Again. Goose. Okay, good. And next. Chicken. Again. Chicken. Again. Chicken. Okay. And next. Turkey. Again. Turkey. Again. Turkey. Okay, good. And last one. Goat. Again. Goat. Again. Goat. Okay, good. So now let's move to your homework. Okay, your homework, fill in the blank. Fill the word into the box. Okay. Chẳng homework bao giờ cứ dân được xe bịa nơi cao rục phiệp được máu những ban riêng hai mình hái bịa rục tí muối bịa cái rục tí bịa cái nhưng xe mà ok chẳng mê riêng bao giờ mình tập bên ấy hay bây giờ thì thường ngày nắng cứ tí muối trong lò mê riêng trầu sập hới tí pí thôi sầm nua nắng sorry mình sầm nua thế cứ homework nắng cứ dân một bình tam rục phiệp được máu hay tí bấy an bịa từng on nắng nhầm ở teacher mình okay. So that's all about today's video. So see you next video. Goodbye.